morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Roy Angelo Cabel. I'm a registered nurse and I graduated at Northwestern University. I'm 18 years old and I'm currently residing at Barangay 16, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. I am 5'6" in height, 55 kilos in weight. If you want to contact me, just email me at rabc_120@yahoo.com. I'm indeed applying on your clinical office. I have all the capabilities in doing such nursing practices, and I can easily adapt myself and socialize myself to other peoples around me. In my elementary level, I graduated at Pius Elementary School, and in my secondary level, I graduated at San Nicolas National High School. In my high school level, I became a SGO secretary, and in my elementary level, I graduated as a salutatorian. I am highly literated on computers. I love surfing the net, and I love discovering many things through internet. And I'm also a member of a band, and I can play the guitar very good as I can be. Well, I'm a person who can easily learn things, and I'm a patient person also. And I think I can do all my duties because I have all the confidence and skills.